This one has to be this one's a little more lighter in color, but I really like it. It's really simple. It's nice. I like the exact same style I've been getting each and every time. You can tell here that this is the polyurethane that goes around. That's the lace front right there. It's my favorite. See how easy it is to put on. You just adjust it a little bit, but voila, it looks so nice. Okay, well, let's go ahead and first start. So the first thing I do is I put my glue on, which is the Ghost Bond glue. That's my trusty old product that I have always used. After that, I'm gonna put at least 2 layers. So every time I put this on, I make sure that I put it around the base. Do you see how it had like a skin base around? So that's where I'm gonna put it. Well, I put the glue on and I make sure that before I put the second layer, I make sure this one dries first. And I normally let it dry. I use my finger to spread the product out because why waste all these items? It's easy. Now, once I've let that dry, I'm gonna put the second layer on. And we already know how that goes, so we'll be right back. Look how many easy steps that was, like 2 or 3, right? So I'm gonna go from back to front. So I'm gonna lay it lightly in the front. This is how I like to adjust it. Then I'm gonna go ahead, once I do like it in the back, the position, I'm gonna lift it in the front. And then I'm just gonna push lightly towards where I need it to lay in the front. So from back to front, and now I like it. And I'm like, okay. Here we go, and I'm gonna press down on it. Perfect. Once I press this down, I'm gonna go ahead and style it. I'll be right back. Here we go. See how simple it is? You can't even see the lace. I am so happy with this. Thank you. Have a great one.